Hello and welcome to the Tahini factory. This is where we make tahini. This is the wood that we roast the sesame with. And please follow me to show you step by step how tahini is made. First of all, we put the sesame in these two water pools to soften it, so it's easy to be dehulled or taking the skin or the husk away. And this is the dehulling process. This is how we take the husk of the sesame. After that, we bring it here. This is salty water. We add all the sesame here, so all the pigments and the impurities go down and the pure sesame flow to the top, and then we pick it. Then we add the sesame here to these sacks and wash the salt away. All the salt is gone and they are ready to be roasted, and I'll show you the roasting. Then we add the sesame here to roast it, and you can't stop. You have to be constantly moving it because the temperature is too high. If you leave the sesame, it will burn. So it has to be constantly moved in this way, so it gives it a nice and good roasting. Then we bring the sesame here, it cools down, it's cool enough to be taken to the next step. We gather in all the sesame, pass it through another machine. We go through this bigger method. See, all the good sesame drops here, and the pigments and the impurities and the things that we don't want gets blown away over there. Only pure sesame left here before it's taken to be pressed into tahini. We show you how to add the sesame to the rocks to make tahini. This is called ď'Awla. It goes here, comes in between the two rocks. This is eco-friendly, hydro-powered. We have massive amount of water hitting the big rock to spin, and you see it from here, the tahini coming down. And this is the final process of making tahini. And one more thing. I've got my chai, and I've got my bread. Bread breaking. I put this here. I open my bread, stick it under the nahorta. Imagine this being a spring, tahini spring. Ma basim kawawa.